Hello, welcome to Agaja TV. Our tutorial today is how to save your credential or any important document into a Google Drive so that even if you lost them, you can access to them. You can have access to them. You can copy them so that you will go and print it. For example, maybe you want to save your something like remitter or your school certificate or something like that. So first of all, you go to your Google Drive. If you don't have it, you can have it in a Google store, in a Play Store. I'm sorry. So as you can see here, this is a Google Drive. So you press on it. After it is open like this, if you don't have account, you must log. If you have account, log in, then you press on plus sign. This plus sign. So you can add, as you can see, folder, upload, or you can scan Google document, Google sheet, Google slides, and whatever you want to add it. It depends on your own choice. So let us add a folder for the first time. Let us say credential like this. So as you can see here, this is our folder that we just created. So you open your folder. Maybe you want to add your credential there for this time, so you press on this plus sign. So here you press on upload, this upload button. So before you add your credential, you have to scan it. You have to use scanner and scan it. If you scan it, then you can add it to your phone or your computer. It depends, whatever you want. Just you save your contact, you save your credential in a reference folder that you can easily get it. As you can see here, I'm adding this PDF receipt here. So you select what you want to add. So you wait for upload. Here you see file is uploaded like this. So this is what we have just uploaded. You see, you open it. You see, it's important document. So if you like, here as you can see, you can copy the link, you can share the link, you can open it, you can send a copy, you can download it. So even if you lost your credential, if you save it in Google Drive, you will have an access to it so that you will not lose your backup. Thank you very much for following this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for our upcoming hot tutorials. Thank you.